channel. I am your girl Jasmine Marie. If you are new here, hey girl, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up sis, what it do? Hey, I always forget to film the intros for my vlogs, and I thank you guys so much for watching. And for all of my new subscribers, hey boo. My name is Jasmine. I create lifestyle, beauty, content. We do all the things over here, you guys. I don't really like to put myself into a specific box, but yeah, I'm a mama, a wife, you know, I'm a bad, no, just playing. I'm just kidding, but like not really. I'm for real. So yeah, I am in an era of finding me, leaning into that soft life, that stay-at-home wife, stay-at-home mom journey right now. I'm so excited for all the things to come. I am just learning, trying to grow. My prayer right now, and I will share with you guys, is Lord, show me the ways, the areas that you want me to grow, and give me the courage to not be afraid of change. So that's kind of like where I am right now in my life. I'm just kind of taking everything day by day. And with that being said, you know, I'm able to film more content. I have been really consistent with posting my vlogs. I thank you guys so much for watching. For all of my subscribers, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers, I'm so thankful for you guys. With that being said, yeah, I just wanted to film this intro. You will see me looking like this because I'm just filming the intro for this vlog. Today, which you guys will see in the vlog, I am going to brunch with my husband. We are off today. And I say we are off today. He's off today. And we're gonna go probably grab some lunch. I don't know, I'm in the mood for breakfast, but then I'm kind of not, and it's about to rain, and I'm just really not prepared to be out. I knew it was gonna rain, but yeah, yeah. So yeah, stay tuned for all of that. And if you don't already have the notifications on to subscribe, like all of the things, you guys, make sure to do that. And let's get into this week's vlog.
Back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe me something. Now let's say you owe me something.
I'm that friend that's like, you know what I mean, when your friend has to get video,
and I'm the one that's like, can we eat?
Right. That looks good. I think I'm gonna get,
obviously I can't have it because I have pineapple.
Smashed avocado turkey burger.
The
that
roses
sounds
and
good.
raspberry sounds good.
This avocado and bacon burger sounds good. Which one?
The roses and raspberry.
I don't even know where the bathrooms are. Look at that. So cute.
I like how simple this is because
A prayer a day. Girl, I don't need no more food. So cute.
and they're on sale. They're $14.99.
This store is freaking adorable.
Girl, you can't tell me in the
Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up from Bath & Body Works. So I stocked up. This should last me for at least close to the end of the year. You guys know they were on sale for $2.95, so I got 2 of each of the iced lemon pound cake. I love like a lemon scent in my kitchen, so I got 2 of those. 2 of the sweet orange blossom scents. Then I picked up 2 of the pink lavender and espresso. Can y'all see that? Yep, so I got 2 of the pink lavender and espresso scents, 2 of the Palo Santo. Lately, I'm gonna have to get a new camera. I just told my husband, but yes, Palo Santo and Sage. I got 2 of these. I got 2 of the sparkling watermelon, and then I got 4 of the marble white t-shirts scents, and I got it because, you know, my countertops are marble and I have 4 places to put them. So yeah, that's all that I got. I got 4 of those, and this should last me a good while. So let me know in the comments if you got stocked up as well. Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. Wait, that man over there spitting and hawking up shit, and then he finna go back in there and do somebody else. Like, did y'all see that somebody had came out and said that they have contracted herpes from the nail salon? I didn't really look into the story, but can you imagine? Like, that's why I've been doing my nails at home. I do miss getting my nails done, and I still get my feet done, so there's always that. So I am currently sitting outside of the barber shop with my husband because I don't want to go in there. He's always like, you can come inside. No, thank you. Because when I go to the salon, I be talking to my girl. So I'm going to let y'all talk about whatever y'all need to talk about, and I'm going to sit out here in my business. Y'all know I love a good quiet moment and time for myself. So I do not mind sitting outside in the car ever. It's like my thing. It's something very therapeutic about sitting in the car. So we are getting ready to head somewhere to eat. Not really sure what the vibes are right now. I don't know if I want breakfast or if I want something else. I kind of want to low-key go home and just kind of cuddle up or not. Yeah, like watch a movie or not, Netflix and chill. Because it's raining, and although I am not too worried about it, I kind of don't want to be in a restaurant, you know what I'm saying? So that's what the vibes are for today. Well, actually the vibes are unknown. I don't know what the vibes are, but as a woman, it's like, do we ever know what the vibes are? Just give me some food. I will be so satisfied with that. Babe, I'm gonna get your food, okay?
Yep.
Tell me how it tastes.
Yes.
Good morning, guys. So today I am getting ready. I just washed my face. Let me show you guys what I use for my skin care as of lately. I really wanted to stay in bed because it's super gloomy. It's raining outside. It's like that perfect stay in the bed type of weather. But I just washed my face with the La Roche-Posay Purifying Cleanser. I just did that as like a pre-cleanse, and then I went in. I haven't exfoliated with my Tatcha in a while, so I went in with my Tatcha, the rice wash, to exfoliate. And then for toner today, well, lately I've been using the Clinique 3-in-1, I think, to clarifying lotion. I actually really like it. My skin feels really clean after using it. And then I'm gonna go in with my La Roche-Posay moisturizer as well. I feel like those products have made my texture a lot less, and my pores in like this area have really shrunk, and I noticed that immediately. So yeah, so today I am gonna try and get some. I was literally laying in the bed, you guys, since I dropped my kids off from school. It's been about an hour and a half. I had my breakfast and my coffee, and I was just like, girl, get up. I can lay down when I'm done, but right now I gotta get to it. I want to see if I can get a few things done today as far as content. I have not been batch shooting. I've just been kind of going with the flow, which I like that, but I also like knowing that I can lay in the bed and know that I have content to still put out. So I think I'm gonna do a makeup look. I ran out of beauty blenders, you guys. I think my daughter has some. I'm just gonna go back and see, and I'm gonna wash them. She had just ordered some, but yeah, like this is what my skin's looking like. So I had a blackhead right here, and I picked it, and so it's a little swollen Too bad it's not on this side too, so I can have like that bottom lip. But y'all know the blemishes that are like right by the lip hurt so bad. Sometimes when I'm like watching the clip back or when I'm editing, I'm like, dang, you really be on here looking crazy. But this is honestly how I look during the day. No shame in my game. I be having on either a bonnet or a scarf. Typically I'm team bonnet inside the house. I had tried to stop wearing it because my husband was like over it. And so, you know, when he gets home from work, I kind of want to, you know, look cute and like, hey babe, you know, whatever. So I stopped wearing it, and then now I don't know where it is. So I have on a scarf because I did my hair yesterday. So yeah, I be looking crazy, but it's real. Like, we're not doing all of that all the time. Now when the time comes, you know, I know how to pull it together. It's giving brunch. I just need somebody to invite me to brunch, and I have on some slides. These slides from Fashion Nova are so comfortable. They are even more comfortable than the black ones that I own. And you guys remember I was showing you this top in a few vlogs back. Bomb. And I needed some linen pants, and I found them. So cute. I love this look. Like, it eats for sure. She eats. But I'm gonna go change because I'm hot and I gotta make an errand. So I just wanted to show you guys. And if you see this look again, because you will, like it, okay? Because I'm going to post it on Instagram. Make sure you like it. We are back in the car, you guys. So I am headed to my daughter's school. I have to pay the little parent fee for her cheerleading payment because she made 8th grade cheer, which we're so excited about. But yeah, not excited about paying these fees, child, but that's where I'm headed. And then you guys remember I was telling you guys that I needed to take those shorts back to Target. I am finally doing that. I just haven't really had time, and I need something out of Target. So I am back at home and I am making some lunch. So today, let me turn my worship music down. So I'm back home from Target. I was able to get these shorts, you know, fixed, taking the thing off. And I also was gonna show you guys, my husband and my daughter actually use this in their hair. So I got them each their own. It is the Cantu Curl Cream. It really defines both of their hair. It doesn't really work for me, but yes, that's what I got them. So I'm getting ready to wash some spring mix and some strawberries and some blueberries. I'll post a little video of what I ate the other day. It's basically the Chick-fil-A market salad. So yummy, with apple cider vinegar dressing that they now sell at Kroger and Walmart. So I have blue cheese. I love blue cheese. And then the apple cider vinegar dressing. It's the same stuff that Chick-fil-A uses. And then I have some meal prepped chicken, grilled chicken right here. So I'm gonna put that in the microwave for just a second, but I'm gonna wash my fruit. Yep, so that's what I'm eating for lunch today, you guys. I have about an hour to kind of watch TV, eat, and chill before I have to pick up my daughter. I was able to get some content done this morning, so I'm super proud of myself. I made myself get up out the bed. I took that makeup off so fast, y'all. Like, after I get done filming my content, I take my makeup off. I did go run errands, you know, y'all saw I had on my makeup. And it was cute, but I had to take that off because I was like, maybe I can get a little nap in. I'm not really sleepy, but right now I'm just filling my mind with meditation, like prayer. So, because I just feel super anxious today for some reason. Probably because I watched Them, The Scare. And yeah, it wasn't like scary, but that kind of stuff really does kind of seep into, you know, the atmosphere. My husband is like, he loves scary movies. I'm more so like, but it was a good series. But yeah, I'm rebuking all anxiety, worries, fears, child.
What I really need to know, can we get it together? together. Get it together. Get it together. Can we get it together? Get it together. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check.
All right, I added everything, you guys. So now I'm about to eat, but this hand soap right here from Bath and Body Works, white t-shirt, smells so freaking good. And I think they discontinued the line. I don't know why they would do that. It seems like they always discontinue the good scent. They used to have wallflowers. I think they still have a candle, like a small candle. Oh, it smells so good. I want to take a bath in it. It smells so good. It kind of gives like man, but then like super clean. I know it has like notes of pear. Let me see what is the crisp pear, lavender cloud, and soft sandalwood. So the sandalwood is giving me man, the crisp pear, divine. I don't really, the lavender is like a back note, but y'all, when I tell you it smells so freaking good, like, if you don't have it, try it. Oh Lord. Hello. Y'all, that was my daughter's school. When I tell you these kids, motherfucking kids is crazy, okay? I cannot even. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna eat my lunch and I will see you guys later.